And here we are, an actual haunted location in Poole.
Hot.
Oh, am I? What's hot? You hear that?
Yeah.
Someone on their phone. Oh, it's the echo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
The old
Tram lines, yeah.
tram lines are still there.
And a guild hall's just over there.
Yeah.
The bit they say they've seen it is just against the wall just there.
Yeah.
Like this little alleyway. I have to come back here at night time when there's not many people about. But we can still do this though. Are you stuck in a purgatory? Whatever it's called.
Canada.
We're in Poole.
Purgatory's not heaven and not hell.
Yeah, stuck.
Stuck.
Are you stuck in a purgatory in Canada?
Don't.
Don't what? So where were you hanged? Were you hanged by the key?
Will you come around here? Stay there, don't move. Somewhere around here.
Say it a little bit louder.
Were you hung where I am standing? So apparently there's a
Amber. Monster.
Is there a monster here?
apparently there's a figure. Yes.
Yeah, black figure that's supposed to appear like in black cloaking. It says on the website, Paranormal Database.
Yeah, because there's a window.
Yeah.
There's a door. Here's a
It's-
window. Here's a door.
It's just like this part, this little bone.
Are you okay, Dorothy?
Who's Dorothy? Wait. I got a message from someone from Dorothy. Is that you? And I was in work.
That could be your Dorothy.
Uh-huh.
Dot, the one that died.
Hanged.
Were you hanged? Here. Ooh, we're getting a lot of response.
Purgatory.
Purgatory.
Are you stuck in a purgatory? This is a good spot. Keep. Were you hanged where Kay is standing right now?
This is where the shadow is.
Yeah. Is Kay standing above the location of where you are hanged? I'm gonna punch that guy, Jesus Christ. It's cold. Where I'm standing.
Yeah.
Bloody. Medicine.
Bloody
Medicine.
medicine.
Were you given bloody medicine?
It's very cold here.
Uh-huh. That's what I was saying. Are you making this area cold? Because we're colder than usual. If you stand here, it's fucking freezing.
That obviously used to be a window. There used to be a window there.
Uh-huh. Oh, my hand's gone numb.
Yeah.
Not because it's just...
Or is it down here?
No, it's where the sign is.
Yeah. This is really old.
Yeah, the whole thing is.
Yeah.
Oh, I am frozen stiff.
Yeah, move away.
Ooh.
It's warmer down here.
No, you need to stand there. It's fucking freezing.
Yeah.
Excuse my French. feel cold my hand is, and that's not just.
Friend.
Hello, friend. Johnny used to drive the tram.
Goodbye.
Oh, bye then.
Hi.
Wait.
Jude.
Jude.
Door. There's another door there.
Someone said Jude.
Hello, Jude. There's a door there as well.
I'm getting a little bit of a creepy vibe down here, like that.
Oh, it's creepy.
Phone.
You said phone. Yes, I'm using a phone to communicate with you. What's my name?
Angel.
Angel.
Are you an angel or are you a fallen angel? I hate asking that question.
Sacrifice.
You sacrificed yourself.
Hang on, I've got to start recording. Ask it again and start recording.
Hello, friend. I am Kay. How are you?
Oh, it's quite cold here as well. Do you see how cold it is there?
Yeah.
It's fucking ice cold.
Johnny.
Is there a spirit in here named Johnny? I'm going to do some research for this place and see if there's any people died with these names. I think at some point, because this is an old door here,
Yeah.
and this is an old door.
Yeah, it's an old door.
Because no one actually comes down here, it's just an old part of town. It's cold here as well.
Someone must live down there because there's a number on that door there.
Yeah, it's cold here as well. Not as cold as it is there though.
No. It's cold where I'm stood now.
Are you following us around?
I wonder if Johnny used to drive the trams.
Oh yeah, good question. Sorry, there we go. Any symbols? Do you see any symbols at all or anything like that?
That's what I'm looking at.
Was any satanic stuff done here?
Watching.
Who are you watching?
Are you watching Kay or are you watching Kyle? Or both? Oh, I'm really cold again.
It's very cold.
I think something's touching my hand. Because it's like really cold in certain spots.
Yeah.
Watching.
Did you get sacrificed?
Yeah, I did. Got it just before the video stopped. Did you get sacrificed here? By an angel?
Or did she sacrifice herself?
Or did you sacrifice yourself?
Because she was into the occult. Because that was going on a lot as well.
Was any of the occult happening around the time you guys were about? Are you touching me?
Okay.
That's a yes then.
Yeah. So there's a bloke that walked past me and wondered what that was.
Yeah, that's probably what it is.
Yeah.
Are you cold over there?
Yes, my back's hurting, but it's okay. Getting quite a bit here.
Uh-huh.
It's very cold down there.
Uh-huh. Like,
Really, since we've come in here, yeah. When we came in here, it was quite warm.
now it's really cold.
Temperature's really dropped in here now.
Yeah, and there's no breeze either.
Right behind me, it's getting really cold.
We do.
There's something.
Yeah.
Warehouse or something?
Me, it's so cold. What used to be here?
Always.
She answered your question. You put so cold always.
Yeah.
It makes you wonder what was here before.
Do any of you know what was here all those years ago? My hands are standing up on end.
What is?
My hands are, all the strands are up.
Yeah. It's really cold here.
Look at my hands.
Yeah. It's really cold here.
I have to move. Getting fucking. I feel how cold that hand is.
Brother?
Yeah, I just heard that.
But your brother lived up there?
Did your brother live in the boarded up room above us?
Rituals.
Okay. Were there rituals done here? I wish I had the equipment with us now.
Huh?
Wish I had the equipment with us now.
Probably was.
Were they satanic rituals?
Well, yeah, I would have thought so.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah.
Did they treat you badly?
What's this?
I have no idea. We need to research this place.
Australia?
It's a bit far like.
Cursed.
Cursed? Please don't say that. Is this area cursed?
Him.
Is he cursed?
Thomas.
Is Thomas cursed? Someone's coming.
Nothing you can do.
7.
Was Thomas a grandfather? Why is it so cold under here?
Up.
What was that?
Up.
Up.
Uh-huh.
Up there.
What is that?
That's a walking stick.
It's my walking stick. Is there a room above here?
There might be.
Yeah, there is. Well, there was.
Oh, okay.
Because it's boarded off. There was a room up there.
I'm getting freezing. I have to move in a second.
Look at the sky here.
I know, and there's no wind either.